your room windows for ventilation. I'm going to the market this morning. Just take care of your brothers. Hey loves. Good morning. How is the night? Today is the day of bulk buying. I want to go get tomato. I'll go to the slaughter. I'll get cow tail, cow head, goat meat, chicken. I'll just buy a lot of protein and leave in the freezer so that whenever I want to cook anything, I'll have something in the house. Okay? The sun is much this morning. 7:30, sun do like this. See my mama, the best pricer. Sorry, Mingoma. Sorry, my love. See how you fine. See your fine gown. You too fine. Oh, see my mother. My love. How you doing, mommy? How was your night? Now to enter here, we'll go park inside outside. The traffic, 30 minutes to get here. See road block. It's not my leg wide. Can't talk be that. English where? Let me talk to you.
Me don't tell you. Let me tell you.
Let me talk to you.
Me don't tell you.
How much are these? The packs too. 15,000. I don't want to buy so right. This one big now. Eh? This one not big. Which one you dey choose? Not be that one. This one how you want? Talk now. This one. Now from that side now you go know whether it big or be not big. More take this one, I don't tire. This one won't blind my eye. And I'm not carrying my glass. The difference not past 10 seeds of tomatoes where they inside this one, we not they inside this one. More they carry this one. Yeah, they can't go now. So this is the one. Hot pepper.
Oh, mama.
Which one? How much?
4,000, mama. How much? 4,000, mama.
That's so good. Let's go back this pepper.
The breaking is on. I'll be breaking it in there. I'll do it. See the coffee. Oh, yeah,
After buying the pepper, I proceeded to the lady that was going to help with grinding of the tomatoes, but first we had to wash it, sort it into 2 different baskets. We're going to blend the soft one, and I will take the stronger ones home and store them in the freezer or in the fridge for any emergency frying or cooking or indomie or whatever. But this is the one that is strong, so that's a separate one. And then the other one is the one that is soft, together with the one on this bowl that is also soft. All these ones will be properly washed and blended so that I can at least start cooking when I get home. Proceeded to where we'll get onions from. I want to buy these 2 buckets of onions, and 1 bucket is 3,000 naira. So we're pricing for 2,500. So I'll be getting 2 buckets for 5,000. The disadvantage of buying this type is that inside this bucket, like the ones waiting inside the bucket, the onions are small, the sizes are small. So I'll just sort them out.
I give you 3 now.
No worries.
How about I buy the bottle?
No worries. You get onions pregnancy. See what I meant? They always leave the smaller ones inside. Anyway, these smaller ones, I will take them for indomie purpose or for frying of eggs. Proceeded to where I will get my yellow pepper, my yellow bell pepper, and okra, because I'm making like 4 different type of stew and like 4 different type of soup for the month, and most times it spill over to the other months. Bought my yellow pepper and moved to where I was buying chicken. For chicken, I like to buy parent cock, not boiler, not old layer. I like to buy parent cock because I think they are more fleshy. They are also sweet and they are strong. They are not as soft as broiler. I usually buy parent cock, and it was a bit pricey. One was for 13,000, but after much pricing, we ended for 11,000 naira, and I'll be buying 5. So I bought 5 parent cock and like plain them.
This one get weight. That one way you want. Not get weight. So, this one big, that one big. Now this side.
Next was to buy goat's meat, and this guy here is my all-time favorite customer.
Good morning.
Coincidentally, we met my auntie, my mom's younger sister, where I was buying goat's meat.
Another sell. This one, another sell. Say hello.
For the goat's meat, I bought the belly part, also the intestine, and this is the sharky part. I want to share it into 2. I bought the full belly of the goat's meat, like the full belly for goat's meat now I buy. So I asked this guy to share them into 2: liver, kidney, floater, sharky of goat meat. He shared it into 2. I want to use it to make pepper soup. So I like to share my goat meat in section, because after washing it at home and putting it in different ziploc, whenever I bring out one pack, I will know that's what I'm going to cook with. So that's what it's just doing, is sorting it out. And then for the full goat, like from the leg, the 2 sides of the leg, I bought for 16,000 naira. So I bought like 2 different parts. I bought 2 legs, I bought 1 neck, I bought 1 breast. For goat meat, I spent about 48,600 naira. So he's still cutting them. And at first, he was cutting them big. I just reminded him, I said, I beg, on a family, I know they go sell them.
So, Warri, even the goat meat, the way they inside, now they leak.
So I proceeded to where I was to buy tiger nuts, because for my weight loss, I usually snack on tiger nuts.
Give me, you know, say tutu. Ado, now that one be half basket. Oh. Now tumeric be that. Yeah, give me. How much did they say? First, give me carrots. Give me 1 kilo carrots.
It's time to buy my veggies, my carrots, my ginger, my green pepper, my bell pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, turmeric. Yes, I usually add 1 turmeric to my ginger tea. I'll show you how I usually make it. And then I also bought my lemon, and it's quite cheaper here. That's why I come to this market once in 2 months, depending on how I was able to manage what I have. Yeah, I buy things cheaper rate. I notice when I'm buying more, I buy at a cheaper rate compared to going to get these things at ShopRite. ShopRite, they've already washed it, cleaned it, it's expensive, all packaged. Yeah, I like to buy it fresh and cheap. Just imagine I got this 5 pepper for 1,000 naira. Next was to buy sweet potato, and I bought one for 1.5. A bucket was for 1.5, so I ended up buying 2 buckets.
How much for your potato?
Potato 1,500.
1.5. 1.5. I beg, talk how much?
By the way, the guy I bought all my fried rice things, salad things from hang his speaker on his neck. I believe you are enjoying the Hausa song playing. Have fun.
Ginger, not tumeric. Ginger. See the small ginger wey they give me. No keep it for people. Yes, now the lemon dey there. Man, to carry all these things, my hands dey pain. I don't carry so load now. They carry things. I say we dey motor this side.
I was able to have a wheelbarrow pusher carry some of the load, and it wasn't expensive. Paying the wheelbarrow pusher was about 200 naira. So my younger brother is just helping me with putting the things in the car boots, arranging them, and oh no, headache they do me a big cough. This market is at 3 months time. Anyhow, I go manage. I told you, let's say I not go work today. Now. Any day why they come this place, I know if they go work that day. See time from 7:35. This is 2:45. Then before I can start to cook, I will just cook small, batch by batch. Now make I all wash them, put for freezer.
I want to wash all these things. That's the thing. And to differentiate.
Okay, so getting on, it's time to start washing the assorted meat, the goat meat, the goat bread. In fact, all the proteins, the chicken and all that. I need to wash them, and then I wash all my meat with salt. I put salt in the water to wash them. And then when I'm done washing them, I use Ziploc to pack them into different sections, and I'll title them, so that it's not difficult for me to bring out any of them to the fridge at any time that I want them. These are the tomatoes that were blended.
Friend, how are you? Did everybody sleep afternoon sleep? Are you sure you slept? Yes. You slept? Alright.
These are the other set of tomatoes that were blended in the market. I'm going to parboil them and put them in different containers and prepare stew with some of them, and just keep some in case we're making jollof rice or any sauce. These are some of my lemon, yellow pepper, yellow bell pepper, ginger, turmeric, carrot, green pea. So starting off with preparing asun. Asun is a goat's meat sauce, but not big size of goat's meat. You cut the goat's meat into smaller pieces, so I'm just steaming it and preparing it because I'll be frying my asun with red oil, and then I mixed it with a little groundnut oil, red palm oil mixed with a little groundnut oil. I already have my ginger and my garlic in it, and then after parboiling the asu, I fried the asu, and here we go. I'm making my sauce. Guys, if you are watching this video till now, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what exactly you love about this market vlog. Tell me what kind of content you want me to create for you. Please. And once again, thank you for watching this video to the end. Thank you for watching this video till now. I wish I can serve you some of this asun to eat. It was really tasty. It was really spicy. Enjoyed every bit of making this asun. Keep stirring, and then I love to cook in low heat. I'm just going to be stirring this, and this can be served with rice, can be served with boiled plantain, bole, can be served with anything. Boiled one plantain, and I just serve a little of the asu on it.
So this is what I'm having for dinner. 1 plantain and 5 pieces of goat meat. So Whether belefa or no belefa, go drink plenty water. Thank you.
And I was done with my stew. I made chicken stew, liver sauce stew, assorted stew, goat's meat stew, cow tail stew, and I just plated them. I think on another video I'll show you guys the 4 soup I made and how I made them. These were the remaining tomatoes that I washed. That will be going into some Ziploc and will be stored in the freezer. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video till now. See you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.